Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to Shiva Banking and Current Affairs Academy. Today in this video we will discuss important brand ambassadors from January to June month 2020. So this video is useful for all competitive exams. So in this topic we get at least 1 mark. So please share this video to your friends. Let's start the session. First question. Who has been appointed as ambassador of JSW Steel for 3 years? So, and the answer is Rishabh Pant. So, recently Rishabh Pant has appointed as the brand ambassador of JSW Steel for the 3 years. The headquarters of JSW Steel is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. So, JSW Steel brand ambassador is Rishabh Pant. Next. Name the Indian actor or actress who has signed the Puma's brand ambassador contract for next 2 years. And the answer is Kareena Kapoor. So recently Kareena Kapoor has signed Puma's brand ambassador for the next 2 years. The headquarters of Puma is located in Herzog, Germany. The capital of Germany is Berlin. And the currency is euro. So Puma's next brand ambassador for the next 2 years is Kareena Kapoor. Next question. Name the person who has been appointed as the brand ambassadors for the Washington Apples. And the answer is both 2 and 3. So recently Disha Patani and Sanjeev Kapoor has appointed as the brand ambassadors for Washington Apples. Sanjeev Kapoor, he is the chef. Next. Name the person who has been appointed as the first ever ambassador of IDFC First Bank. Guys, IDFC First Bank is the merger of Capital First Bank and IDFC Bank. So IDFC and Capital First Bank has merged and renamed IDFC First Bank. So recently IDFC First Bank has appointed first ambassador as Amitabh Bachchan. The headquarters of IDFC First Bank is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Next, Salman Khan has been appointed as the brand ambassador of which smartphone company? And the answer is Realme. So recently Realme smartphone company has appointed Salman Khan as the brand ambassador. Next, name the person who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of iQOO smartphone. And the answer is Virat Kohli. So recently Virat Kohli is appointed as the brand ambassador for iQOO smartphone. Next, name the actress who has been appointed as the wildlife ambassador for species that swim by Convention on Migratory Species until 2023. So recently Convention on Migratory Species has appointed Randeep Honda as the ambassador for the wildlife ambassador for species until 2023. So the ambassador is Randeep Honda. Next. Who among following has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Tata Power? And the answer is Shardul Thakur. So recently Shardul Thakur has been appointed as the brand ambassador for Tata Power. The headquarters of Tata Power is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. The present CM of Maharashtra is Uddhav Thackeray. Next. Name the Indian women's cricketer who has been appointed as the brand ambassador for PepsiCo. And the answer is Shafali Verma. So recently Indian women's cricketer Shafali Verma has been appointed as the brand ambassador for PepsiCo. Next. Who is the face of RBI's Twitter campaign to adapt to digital modes of payment? So recently RBI has launched a Twitter campaign for the adoption of digital modes of payments. For this campaign RBI has appointed as the ambassador Amitabh Bachchan. So Amitabh Bachchan is the ambassador of RBI's Twitter campaign. So the present governor of RBI is Shaktikanta Das and the headquarters of RBI is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Establishment year of RBI is 1935. And the headquarters of Twitter, it is located in San Francisco, US, and the CEO is Jack Dorsey. So the present CEO of Twitter is Jack Dorsey. Next, name the Bollywood actress who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of JBL campaign titled Live It Real, Live It Raw. And the answer is Sara Ali Khan. So recently JBL has launched one campaign which is named Live It Real, Live It Raw. So for that campaign Sara Ali Khan She is the Bollywood actress, has appointed as the brand ambassador. The headquarters of JBL it is located in Los Angeles, US. Next, name the Indian cricketer who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of PokerStars India. And the answer is MS Dhoni. So recently MS Dhoni is appointed as the brand ambassador of online game PokerStars India. Next, find the Indian cricket player who has been appointed as the brand ambassador for Dubai-based cricket coaching academy Crick Kingdom. And the answer is Rohit Sharma. So recently Rohit Sharma is appointed as the brand ambassador of Crick Kingdom. Crick Kingdom, it is one of the Dubai-based cricket coaching academy. Next, name the person who has been appointed as the ambassador for World Wildlife Fund India's Environment Education Program. And the answer is Vishwanath Anand. So famous chess player Vishwanath Anand is appointed as the brand ambassador for India's Environment Education Program, which is initiated by World Wildlife Fund. The headquarters of World Wildlife Fund is located in Gland, Switzerland. Guys, recently we uploaded international organizations headquarters video, so please watch that video. Next, find the Indian badminton player who has been named as the ambassadors of Badminton World Federation's I Am Badminton campaign. And the answer is PV Sindhu. So recently Badminton World Federation has launched one campaign which is named I Am Badminton campaign. For this campaign, BWF has appointed PV Sindhu as the brand ambassador. The headquarters of Badminton World Federation is located in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Next, name the person who has been appointed as the ambassador or permanent representative of India to the United Nations. And the answer is T.S. Tirumurthy. So recently T.S. Tirumurthy is appointed as the ambassador for India to United Nations. The headquarters of United Nations is located in New York, US. And the Secretary General is Antonio Guterres. Next, who has been extended as the Goodwill Ambassador of United Nations Environment Program for the 2 years till 2022. And the answer is Dia Mirza. So United Nations Environment Program Goodwill Ambassador is Dia Mirza, and her tenure was extended for 2 years. So she will continue the ambassador for UNEP until 2022. The headquarters of UNEP is located in Nairobi, Kenya. The Director General is Inger Anderson. Next, name the Indian cricketer who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Education Technology Company ESLA Corporation. ELSA stands for English Language Speech Assistant. The headquarters of ELSA is located in San Francisco, US. So recently this corporation has appointed Ajinkya Rahane as the brand ambassador for this Education Technology Company ELSA Corporation. Education Language Speech Assistant Corporation ambassador is Ajinkya Rahane. Next, who was appointed as the brand ambassador of Adidas recently? And the answer is former Miss World Manushi Chillar. So Manushi Chillar is appointed as the brand ambassador of Adidas company. The headquarters of Adidas is located in Herzog, Germany. Next, former Miss World Manushi Chillar has joined Global Initiative of Red Dot Challenge campaign recently. Which organization has launched this campaign? And the answer is UNICEF. So recently United Nations Children Fund has launched one campaign which is named as Red Dot Challenge campaign. For this initiative, former Miss World Manushi Chillar has joined this initiative. The headquarters of UNICEF is located in New York, US. And the present head of this UNICEF is Henrietta H. Fore. And remaining options, IMF headquarters is located in Washington DC, US. UNIDO headquarters is located in Vienna, Austria. Food and Agriculture Organization headquarters located in Rome, Italy. Next, who was appointed as India's permanent representative to WTO recently? Guys, WTO stands for World Trade Organization. The headquarters of WTO is located in Geneva, Switzerland, and the present head is Pascal Lamy. So recently India to WTO permanent representative appointed as Brajendra Navneet. So India to WTO permanent representative is Brajendra Navneet. Guys, recently Rajiv Tupno has in news. Why he is in news? Please comment your answer in comment section. Next, who was appointed as the first ever brand ambassador of IIFL Finance Company? And the answer is Rohit Sharma. So recently Rohit Sharma is appointed as the first ever brand ambassador of IIFL Finance Company. Previously this IIFL Finance Company is known as India Infoline Limited. India Infoline Limited. So the headquarters of IIFL Finance is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Next, who has appointed as the UNADAP Goodwill Ambassador for the Poor? And the answer is Netra. So she is from Madurai. So her father is Selun. Recently they donate their 5 lakh rupees for poor in this lockdown and COVID-19 situation. So recently UNADAP has appointed Netra as the Goodwill Ambassador for Poor. The full form of UNADAP is United Nations Association for Development and Peace. The headquarters of this UNADAP located in New York, US. Next, who is the brand ambassador of Gargo International? And the answer is Sonu Sood. So recently Sonu Sood is appointed as the brand ambassador of Gargo International. The headquarters of Gargo International is located in Delhi. Next, find the person who was appointed as the brand ambassador of Bihar's Khadi. And the answer is actor Pankaj Tripathi. So recently actor Pankaj Tripathi is appointed as the brand ambassador of Bihar's Khadi. The present CM of Bihar is Nitish Kumar. Next, who has been appointed as the ambassador of JSW Cement Marketing Company Leaders Choice? And the answer is both 1 and 3. So recently Saurav Ganguly and Sunil Chetri is appointed as the brand ambassadors for JSW Cement's marketing campaign Leaders Choice. Saurav Ganguly is the present president of BCCI and Sunil Chetri is the India football team captain. So these two person is appointed as the brand ambassador for JSW Cement's marketing campaign Leaders Choice. Next, who among the following has named ambassadors for the 45th edition of Toronto International Film Festival 2020? And the answer is both 1 and 3. So Priyanka Chopra and Anurag Kashyap is appointed as the ambassadors for the 45th edition of Toronto International Film Festival 2020, which is going to be hosted in 10 to 21 in the year of September 2020 in Toronto, Canada. Next, who appointed as the brand ambassador for Andhra Pradesh Government Anti-Graft Helpline or Anti-Corruption Helpline number 14400? And the answer is badminton player PV Sindhu is appointed as the brand ambassador of Andhra Pradesh Corruption Helpline number 14400. The present CM of Andhra Pradesh is YS Jagan Mohan Reddy and the governor is Vishwabhushan Harichandan. Next, Kevin Care Private Limited appointed Bollywood actors as the brand ambassador of its hair color Indica. The answer is Akshay Kumar and Ileana D'Courage. So recently Akshay Kumar and Ileana D'Courage is appointed as the brand ambassadors for Indica hair color. It is the company of Kevin Care Private Limited. Next, PepsiCo India has allegedly appointed actor whom as the new brand ambassador for its snacks brand Kurkure, and the answer is Akshay Kumar. So recently PepsiCo has appointed Akshay Kumar as the brand ambassador for Kurkure. Next, India's largest mobile gaming platform Mobile Premier League or MPL brand ambassador. So recently Tamanna Bhatia is appointed as the brand ambassador for Mobile Premier League. This Mobile Premier League, Virat Kohli is also the brand ambassador. Next, so guys, these are the important brand ambassadors from January to June month 2020. So this video is useful for all competitive exams. If you want PDF or quiz based on this video, join our Telegram channel. Link is given in description box. Please subscribe our channel and like the video and press the bell icon to get all the notifications of our channel. So thank you for watching the video.